back with another video. Today we're doing bacon fat caramels. And I got this recipe from Emmymadeinjapan. However, she got the recipe from Urban Cowgirl, I believe it is. I'll post the link for Urban Cowgirl on the bottom, but I actually wasn't gonna do a video, but I decided to go ahead and do one because I don't know, I just felt like we should do it on this. I've never made these before, so whatever mistakes I make, you all are about to know about it. So here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need some butter, bacon fat, a little bit of water over here to the side. You want your dish prepped and oiled, your parchment paper, and your pan. And I'm doing a double recipe, so I'm using a longer dish. I got a brush here because what I'm gonna do real quick so you guys see is brush the edges so that there's no crystallization. Well, that's what Emmy says do, so what Emmy says do, we do. And I'll put the recipe on on the beginning of the thing like I always do, the video. And let me just get right into it because y'all listen. Oh, be clear, not a meat thermometer, not any kind of thermometer, because I made the mistake, a candy thermometer. Get a candy thermometer. It goes high enough and it clips to the side. What I had before was this. And this is just a mess. I'm gonna sell that. So, but I'm gonna clip this to the side once we get it on there. And we'll be back.
I'm getting mighty tired of your trifling ways and of listening to that jackass Bray.
Some of the old songs. For old time's sake. As time goes by. Long time. Some of the old songs. For old time's sake. Time goes by. It's been a long time. For all time's sake.
I don't know what you mean, Miss Elsa.
people, so this is the next day because I let it sit some. Also, it isn't the same size that it was because out of this pan, because I split it in half to share with someone. So, because as I said before, I am diabetic and I can't have all that. But let me let you guys get a taste of this. Mark, I'm gonna let Mark taste it in front of you guys so you know what it tastes like. I just have a little knife here that probably won't work good. And believe me, we've been digging all in this crap. That's the reason why I gave it away. They're all right. They're just dogs. Go on, Luna. That's Luna and Peter. Okay, so this is set all night. That is nice and satisfying to cut. Okay. This way. I'm left-handed, so. Okay. Taste that, Mark.
Nice, and you get the
It's chewy.
chewy caramel.
Yeah. Now the color isn't as deep as Emmy in Japan made hers, but it's delicious. And I pulled back on the bacon a little bit because I wanted you to be able to taste the butter in the bacon together with the creaminess of the cream. So I pulled back on the bacon. I did salt it a little. You like it? Mm-hmm. It's just, it melts in your mouth. And you can make it a little darker than this if you'd like. But I didn't because I didn't want it to remove my cavities or to remove my feelings. So there you have it, guys. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Feel free to do the recipe, and if you do the recipe, tag me and let me know you did the recipe. And thanks for watching.